guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a first impressions makeup tutorial. I have a lot of life updates for you guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm just going to be doing a makeup tutorial slash first impressions on all the new makeup that I bought. I was having a little depression episode, so I needed a pick-me-up. If you're interested in learning how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching. The first thing I bought were these De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops by Drunk Elephant. I've heard so much about these, and I'm really hoping that these help on the days that I get spray tans and the spray tan washes off my face because I didn't keep it long enough on my face and my body doesn't match my face. So we're gonna see. Because I'm gonna use that much. These have like a little bit of shimmer in them. Oh god. I am looking a little more bronzed. Obviously I don't have tanner on my face right now, so but I do, okay, I look a little bit sun-kissed. I picked up the famous Hollywood Flawless Filter in the sample size by Charlotte Tilbury. This has been all over TikTok, so I'm just going to, I guess, like, just go all over my face with this. I don't know. So I have a lot of life updates for you guys. Obviously, you know, my channel hasn't been the greatest on uploads. Hopefully that changes, but I never know with my life. I am moving to Las Vegas, so that's a huge change in my life. I live in New York right now, so I'm literally moving across the country to be with the rest of my family, like my second cousins and great aunts. I wanted to make the move because I needed a huge change in my life. I didn't want to stay in my hometown for the rest of my life, so that's why I chose to move. And plus the weather's beautiful all year round. I don't have to worry about the snow or anything. So I am moving out of my apartment in 2 days. I'm getting everything picked up today, so that's why I am filming as much as I can today to give you guys content. My camera was turned up, so that's why you couldn't see. But and now I'm matching. Everything is pretty glowy. I'm actually really upset that my brightness was turned on my camera, because now you can actually see how the product is applying to my face. But anyways, guys, I think the bronze drops and the Flawless Filter are seriously so worth it because they look really glowy right now. Obviously, it doesn't cover blemishes, so you'd have to go over concealer. But if you're looking for a really light makeup look, I think this is your way to go. Right, the next thing I bought in the sample size was the NARS concealer, and this is in Tiramisu, so medium 1.75. I'm such a Shape Tape girl. You have no idea, but I wanted to try something else for a change, and I never really have tried NARS products. I don't really own anything of NARS, so I bought this. And we're gonna see how good it covers like my blemishes. Okay, the next update that I have for you guys is I'm actually changing career paths. I'm no longer working for my previous company. I felt extremely taken advantage of by my company. I was overworked and unfairly compensated. And when my senior manager left, I was responsible for taking on all of her responsibility, plus my old job, and it was way too much work for just one person. And plus, I didn't mind doing the work, but I wasn't getting any kind of pay raise. So I needed that in order for me to want to stay. But honestly, I was being treated like shit, and I wasn't happy. I was finding myself very miserable every single day. If you guys don't know, I was in logistics, so I was essentially a logistics manager, but without the logistics manager title and compensation. So I was promised a bunch of things, like how I was going to get a contractor to take on my old job and I would train them to do my old job and help me out. That never happened. I just was led on for an entire like 6 months of my job, and ever since my senior manager left, everything just went downhill because I loved my old manager, but my new manager that I directly reported to, I did not like and did not see eye to eye. And I basically told her that I felt like I could be more successful at a company that values my time and my work ethic. And that didn't really go over very well with her, but that's okay because everything happens for a reason. So I left that job, and now I am switching career paths and actually going towards my dream job. So I want to go into medical device sales. I got an offer today from a company that I have always wanted to work for. It's a step in the right direction with this company because there's so much growth potential in this company. It's also kind of helping people too at the same time, so I like that. And I get to go into the hospital and see surgeries and everything. So right now I'm an on-site specialist working at a hospital. I really hope it works out with this company in the long term and I stay with them and I become a sales rep for them. Just don't have that medical device sales experience for me to want to hop right into a sales career. I thought it was better for me to start at the very bottom and learn the ins and outs of the industry and then move my way up, because I was in the running for a sales position at this company, but my heart kind of told me that I should go with the on-site specialist position and really, you know, set myself up for success. So that's what I'm doing right now. So it's super exciting because I always wanted to be in medical device sales, but it's hard. It's a really, really competitive industry, and they really look for nurses or people with biology degrees, and I don't have that. I have a degree in business, but it's a concentration in supply chain, so it was really, really hard to get looked at. But I knew the right people because I was kind of networking at my uncle's wedding last year before graduation, and I always kept this company in the back of my mind. So I saw a job posting in Las Vegas, and after many interviews, I finally got a job offer today. So that's what's happening, and I'm super excited for my future. I just want to be able to wake up and go to work really happy, and I knew I wasn't doing that at my old job. And I was working remote and I wasn't meeting people every day, whereas this job I should be working with doctors and sales rep people and just nurses and meeting people every day, especially since I'm gonna be in a new city that's very important to me. So yeah, I'm super excited and hope everything works out in that realm. The next product that I wanted to try out was the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand by Charlotte Tilbury. Again, this product has been all over the internet. I honestly opened it and I tried a little bit on my finger. I'm not really liking how this was like I think it's like $45 or 35 or something in that round. It's really expensive for little products, and it looks like I already used pretty much all of the tube and I've only used it one time, so I'm not really liking that. But this is what the application looks like, and then you unscrew it and then you get a little bit okay, I don't really see the difference, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure if I really like this. Honestly, I think the Cover FX illuminator drops work way better than the Charlotte Tilbury. I don't really think it's worth your money. I'm gonna take my Airspun loose face powder in translucent. I've always used this, and it's thebomb.com, and it's only like $5, so I'm just gonna mattify my face a little bit. For bronzer, I always use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. You can never go wrong. Mine is so crusty and old, but that's like literally how much product I have left, but it still works, so we're gonna go with it. We're moving to Las Vegas. I'm so excited because there's gonna be a lot of opportunity out west for me, and I love how easy and cheap it is to get to other states. I'm literally going to Denver next weekend to visit my friend, and the flight on Frontier round trip was only $50, and that's how it is every weekend from my understanding from when I looked. So, and I saw like flights to Salt Lake City, Utah, and I wanted to go there too. All of these places have been on my bucket list, and LA is a direct flight on Frontier too, and they're all like $50 to $100 round trip, so I'm so excited. And I'm trying to go to Disney for like a day in October, so, and I love Universal. Last year I went to Horror Nights for the first time, and that was really cool. All right, so the next product that I bought was the NARS Blush and Orgasm. Okay, I have never bought the Orgasm blush. I've never caved in. I usually love my MAC like shimmer blush that I have. It's thebomb.com, so we'll see if this lives up to the hype, but I feel like I have a lot of different blushes that I really like, so I don't feel the need to buy a really expensive blush, but we'll see. So I think it's pretty. I think it kind of looks like all my other blushes, I'm not gonna lie, but I do think it's pretty. Definitely gave like a healthy glow to my face. But I do think this product is overhyped as well. Everything. I also bought this Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. This has vitamin C. I love the original All-Nighter Setting Spray, so I wanted to try this because it had vitamin C in it, and I'm going to be out west, and it literally has a cactus on it, so I'm like, maybe I should try it since I'm moving to Las Vegas. So hopefully this doesn't break out my face, but let me see how this smells. We're gonna see. It doesn't really smell like anything, so I think that's a good sign because I really hate when skincare products smell like something, so I think this applicator is broken. Sprayed out like this, so that's great, but we'll see. Hopefully it's as good as the all-nighter regular pack. I think my face looks really, really good now that the lighting's changed. Products that I purchased that I really want to try. I saw this on TikTok, so all those like TikTok girls wear the Sephora lip liner in hot sauce, and then I couldn't find the Dior lip oil because everything's really out of stock right now, so I wanted to try the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Like it kind of matched the Dior lip oil that I was looking for, so let's see. Never wear lipstick. So I'm really hoping this lip gloss saves me. Ooh. I always use my L'Oreal Pro eyeshadow palette. I have so many eyeshadow palettes that it's a waste of money if I were to buy any new ones, so I just use what I have. I think I'm going to try to get whatever's left out of this brown shade here. It's called Taupe. So I never told you guys what I'm doing at the hospital, I just realized, and I just got the address from the recruiter for the hospital, and it's only 8 minutes away from my cousin's. I'm staying with my cousin for a little bit until I can find like a roommate. I'm living with my cousin, and I basically sold all my furniture on Facebook Marketplace because it was a lot cheaper than buying a moving company. As for social media, I have been slacking, which is not good. I feel like shit when I slack on YouTube and TikTok because it's really what I love to do. It's just that I've been in like kind of a depressive mode the last 2 months because I've been waiting to get my dream job and quit my old job, and my old job was stressing me out and just everything was stressing me out, so I was very depressed, honestly, and I didn't have the time to do anything. Now I have like a month in between my new job, and so I'm just not working right now, and I'm just really taking the time to move and get situated in Las Vegas. So hopefully I can produce some kind of content for you guys while I'm in Las Vegas. I just feel like since my eyes are so small, it helps when this wand is so tiny so it can get literally every lash. Anyways, this is the final look. I tried doing something different with my hair. I tried putting these braids in, but honestly, I think I need a different color of elastic. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!